Welcome to this lesson on the types of bones in the human body. In this video, we will explore how bones differ in shape and function, and why these differences are important for movement and protection. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. Each bone has a unique shape designed for a specific job. In this lesson, we'll learn about the major types of bones and how their structure helps us move, grow, and stay protected. Bones give our body shape and support. They protect important organs like the brain, heart, and lungs. Muscles attach to bones to help us move. Bones also store minerals and produce blood cells in their marrow. They are living tissues that grow and repair themselves. Bones are grouped into four main types: long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. Each type has a special shape suited to its function. Long bones are found in our arms and legs, such as the femur, humerus, tibia, and radius. They support body weight and act as levers for movement. Their long shaft contains marrow where blood cells are formed. The ends are covered with cartilage to reduce friction at joints. Short bones are almost equal in length and width, making them look like small cubes. Examples include the carpals of the wrist and tarsals of the ankle. They provide stability and allow small, precise movements. They are mainly made of spongy bone covered by a thin layer of compact bone. Flat bones are thin and often slightly curved. Examples include the skull, ribs, sternum, and scapula. They protect organs like the brain, heart, and lungs. Their broad surfaces provide space for muscle attachment. They have two layers of compact bone with spongy bone in between. Irregular bones have complex shapes that don't fit into the other categories. Examples include vertebrae, pelvis, and some facial bones. Their unique shape helps protect the spinal cord, support body weight, and provide muscle attachment. Some people also include sesamoid bones as an additional category. Sesamoid bones are small bones that form inside tendons. The most common example is the patella, or kneecap. They act like pulleys to reduce friction and help muscles work more efficiently. The patella improves the leverage of the quadriceps muscle, making it easier to straighten the knee. In summary, the human body has four main types of bones: long, short, flat, and irregular, with sesamoid bones as an extra category. Each bone's shape matches the job it performs, whether supporting weight, protecting organs, enabling movement, or improving muscle function. Our skeleton is a living system that grows, repairs, and makes blood cells essential for life.